Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today we are here for I think, the last unboxing of 2021. And I have here a big UPS package, but it doesn't really matter the size because what we are dealing with is with a box that is inside this portion of the bag. So let's open this and see what we have here. I can already tell you that what we have here is a Benu pen. So it is another pen from Benu. They asked me if I wanted to review another of their models and I said yes, and so I think it will be interesting. Benu has lots of interesting designs. This time I think it is a smaller pen. I've seen it on their website and communications, and let's see how it looks. So I have a couple of Benus and I want to see how this one looks. It comes with this usual packaging made of cardboard, very simple. You open the package, you have kind of a pen envelope made of paper, cardboard. Then you have the information about the warranty and product care, so very simple, and some ripped paper to make the protection. So if you don't want to keep anything of these, it's very easy. You just have these and throw it into the recycle bin, and all very recyclable, very simple, no extra stuff. And it also has an advantage, in my opinion, is sometimes you have boxes that you don't really care for, but they look so nice that you decide to keep them anyway. In this case, there's no need to keep them because it just doesn't make any sense. Okay, I had to deal here with the exposure a little bit because it was not good. So what I was telling is that you may want to keep the packaging if you like to keep. If you don't like packagings, you don't feel okay, but it's so nice. No, it's just simple. So you keep it or don't. You don't feel forced to do anything. So let's take a look at the pen. This pen is quite impressive, as Benu pens usually are. This pen has a flower there, you can see on the center band, and this pen is called, the collection is called Ambrosia, and this particular finish, this particular color finish is called Brown Orchid. So it is a collection of pens with flowers, with flower themes and flower names. It looks nice. It's interesting how it is made. So you have here the it's really, this is really different from anything I've seen so far. So let's take a look at it. This is not a review. I'll make a review someday later. But now I just want to show you the unboxing. There will be no writing samples and so on. So you can see lots of glitter there. They go from green, gold, brown, purple. Then you have this center band, which is actually a cap band in brown. Then you have that purple with lots of glitter again. And you have another part that is gold with green glitter. So it is very spectacular. This center band has flowers, and I think it will act a little bit as a roll stop. But when you unscrew it, when you uncap the pen, and that's the fun part, the cap band is not, I'm not sure if this lighting is okay. The cap band is not straight. It has the edges of the flowers. So it's really a very different thing from everything we have seen. This pen will cost around 100 euros, maybe a little bit more, I'm not completely sure now, but I will address all that when I make the review. But this is really an interesting and very different from anything else. Then you have this section, which is made of kind of cognac colored part of plastic with no glitter. It's much simpler than the rest, and it has a medium Schmidt nib. I think the nibs from Benu are quite nice. It has a cartridge inside, and let me screw it back again. I will not ink it right now, but I will ink it soon to make the review. So this pen is more on the smaller side, but you can really use it. You can put the cap on the back and you'll have a full-sized pen, quite big, but because most of the weight, that's what I'm feeling right now, because unless you hold the pen very next to the nib, it will fall down. But if you hold it in the middle of the section, the center band will rest here on this place on the hand, and it will be comfortable and very nice to hold. It's a light pen because it's all resin, and it is very interesting. It looks like an old jewel. So this is the new Benu Ambrosia Brown Orchid. The nib is a number 5 Schmidt nib. Just let me show you some other Benu pens I have. Let me try to remember the names of them. So this is the Benu Ambrosia Brown Orchid. This is the Benu, I think this is the Minima Mystery Green, which also has a small number 5 Schmidt nib, and this one doesn't post. Let me just compare both. This is the Minima, this is the Ambrosia. They have similar sizes, but this one seems to be girthier, or maybe not, maybe just different looks. Let me have here the Minima in Mystery or Mystical Green, then the Ambrosia in Brown Orchid. This is another one, the Hexagon F, because this is the name of the color, it's the F, and this one has a also a Schmidt medium nib. Schmidt nibs, these number 5 nibs from Schmidt, don't have the breather hole. And then we have one that is very interesting. This is a bigger one. This is the Supreme. This was a special edition for Christmas, for 2019 or New Year 2020, I'm not sure. And it is a green with lots of glitter. I hope everything is okay. I'm not liking the lighting setup today. I'm not sure why. And then I have here this is my favorite. This is the Benu Euphoria Caviar, which is a gray pen with lots of glitter, but in a very simple way. It's really usable even in a work context. I really enjoy this pen. It has a big nib. So the number 6 Benu nibs have breather holes. The other ones, the smaller ones, don't. And so this is my set of Benu pens, and this is how they look. They all have glitter. This is the one that has the less. It is black with some red glitter there. All the others have. So if you ask me about pens to have glitter, I would say these Benu are very good candidates, and I don't have problems with their nibs to hold the glitter. So these are very interesting, and if you go for this one, for the new Ambrosia collection, there is even one that is glows in the dark. So this is this is a very spectacular pen. I'm not 100% sure it is my particular taste to have something so outstanding, but it's like if I had to say what this would be a Baroque pen. It would fit in some historical place with lots of gold and purple silks. So this looks like a luxury item. It's very interesting. So I will make a review soon. I will ink it, and then we will see more and know more about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I think this pen is really nice, and I'll be back soon to talk more about this one and to make another videos. So see you soon. Bye.